If they still don't value you, let them go. You are much more worthy than you realize. All that pain was not for nothing. It was meant to teach you your own value. You forgot your worth, and God wanted to tell you you are a very loving person, that you deserve much more. So, God sent you people to make you realize that this is not what you are worthy of. But He wanted you to choose that for yourself. He did not hand you the ice cream or the reward until and unless you knew that you deserved it. So value yourself. You are deserving of more than you can even imagine because you are a loving person. It's finally Valentine's week, but this video is for the single people. And in case you were feeling sad that you don't have a special someone and you are very desperate, that is showing in your energy, and that is why you are still not able to attract the right person in your life. You might even feel सबको मिल रहा है मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. You were rejected by someone, and that rejection feels like you are not good enough, that you are not worthy of love. Maybe something is wrong with you, but it is not. Nothing is wrong with you. You just have to work on your energy. That person rejected me, I liked him. He or she was just not an energetic match for you. What is an energetic match? What do you mean? She is beautiful or he is handsome. I am perfect. What's the problem? I have talked about these frequencies, energetic matches in my other videos too. Do watch them. But for now, I can tell you this, that this is my energy and everybody around me is reflecting a part of me. That means the more loving I am, I would be surrounded by those kind of people. The more egoistic I am, there will be some of the people who are also egoistic around me. The more rude I am, or whatever traits I have, every person would be reflecting that back to me, that this is what is inside of me. That is how your energy works. I'll be talking in detail further. But first, about rejection. You were rejected. Now you're single. Or maybe you have been single for a very long time and you do not understand why. You feel that that person rejected me. How dare they? I am perfect. We take rejection personally. If a person is stealing something and they chose another person to steal, would you go and ask them, why did you not choose me? Why did you not steal my stuff? Would you ask a criminal, why did you reject me? Same way, why would you ask a person, why are you rejecting me? Why do you want a person who does not even want you? That means there is a lack of self love and self respect. I don't know where it is. And I'm not just telling that to you. Me, and along with many other people, still do not know how to value ourselves. A person who does not respect himself or herself, how do you expect another person to respect you? The way you treat yourself. That energy, if I'm sitting right here in this room and I'm telling myself what an amazing person I am, there is no person who would treat me wrong when I know my worth. And if somebody still treats me that way, then I know my worth and I will not tolerate that kind of behavior. I will not let that kind of a person be in my life, right? Simple as that. You do not need any validation from anybody. You were rejected because they did not see your value. Their loss. It's okay. You know your value, and that is the most important thing. You should know your value. You do not need validation for love. Have you ever asked your parents, do you love me? I don't. I know. I know you do. Have you ever asked your cousins, do you love me? Would you stay with me? They will stay if they want to stay. They will go if they want to go. In every relationship, there are two parties, right? And both parties need to value each other. Both parties need to make efforts. When you are giving love, both the parties try to give more. So even if you were rejected or you are single right now, do not watch videos. How can I get that person back? What do I need to do to be able to receive that kind of love? I need to look better. look better, but for yourself. Do I need to work? Work if you like to work. If you are a career oriented person, nothing is bad. A career oriented person is equally as good as a person who takes care of the house. Both are equal. But what do you want to do? You can have hobbies. Focus all that energy onto yourself. Okay, I do not care about rejection. He rejected me or she rejected me. I do not care. I just want them back. You want a person who rejected you. You want them back when they do not even want you back. How long is that relationship going to work? A person who has a strong sense of self worth, that kind of a person who is secure within themselves. When that kind of a person loves another person, they give their all. If their person stops valuing them, they understand and they let them go. Let it be their loss. It will not be their loss as long as you are pouring all of your energy towards them, not towards your hobbies. You are just crying, laying in bed, watching other people's videos, how happy they are in a relationship, not focusing on yourself. That is what is pushing them away. Do not focus on them. Bring all that focus to yourself. So, this is how energy works. These are two people. This person is empty. So, this is, for example, me. I saw this person, empty bottle. I thought I can fix them or I can take care of them. I see this sad person and I want to take care of them. So, I start pouring my energy into them. What is happening? I am pouring all the love and they do not have anything to give me back. If I keep doing it, I'll be empty. I would not have received any love because they are empty. They do not have anything to give me. I need to fill this one with myself. I need to pour all the love to myself first so I am complete within myself and I do not find empty people or people who cannot love me at the level that I can love them. I do not want this. Do you want this kind of a person who is empty, who will not be able to give you any love, and you just want to pour and then at the end be empty yourself? Pour into yourself first, and you will always find an energetic match for yourself. If you are yourself half empty, you will find empty bottles, empty people. Fill your cup first so that you can secure a match for yourself that is capable of loving you while they are themselves complete. If both those bottles were completely full, filled with water, no matter how much exchange was there, they'll be filled anyway. Do not give your energy for free. Do not pour your love to someone who is unable to reciprocate it to you. Be single as long as you need to be. It is better to be with the right person than waste your time with the wrong one. That way you'll be happy, that way you'll be protecting your peace and your energy. Take care of yourself. And for more such content, do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.